Imagine a world where the depths of your mind hold the hidden key to unlocking boundless wealth and fortune. Picture a reality where your thoughts, beliefs, and subconscious patterns weave together to shape the abundance that flows into your life. In this extraordinary realm, you become the master of your financial destiny, tapping into the limitless potential that resides within your thoughts and words. It is a place where your thoughts manifest as tangible results, where your deepest desires align with the universe's grand design, and where the boundaries of possibility stretch far beyond what you ever thought imaginable. Motivator and author Brian Tracy teaches that what we say to ourselves is the key to overcoming poverty and becoming wealthy. He says some words can bring abundance, while other words do exactly the opposite. Imagine having just a few magic phrases in your vocabulary that guarantee wealth. It's not a new idea either. Writer and philologist John Ronald Reuel Tolkien, better known as J.R.R. Tolkien, noticed the power of certain words on our thoughts and subconscious long before he became a published author. In fact, he believed that words are man's most powerful weapon. With just a few sentences, you can create an entire world around you, which is exactly what he did with his Lord of the Rings trilogy.
Greetings and welcome to a channel that is going to change everything you believe about money.
Nowadays, we can turn to Brian Tracy, who has spent decades studying the habits and behaviors of successful people to identify the role of language in shaping our beliefs and attitudes towards money. Tracy's ideas are backed by research in the field of positive psychology, which has shown that two key aspects of the mind, the subconscious coupled with positive thinking, play a significant role in shaping our thoughts, actions, and ultimately, our financial success. By understanding how these two forces work together, we can harness their potential to create wealth and abundance in our lives, starting with understanding the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is like a vast memory bank that stores every experience, thought, and emotion we have ever encountered. It operates behind the scenes, influencing our behavior and perceptions without us even realizing it. While the conscious mind is responsible for our immediate awareness and decision-making, the subconscious mind holds the power to shape our long-term beliefs and habits. It's like a computer, and the words we use are like the programming language that directs its actions. When we use negative words and phrases like, "I can't afford it," or "money is the root of all evil," we are programming our subconscious mind to create limiting beliefs and behaviors around money. On the other hand, when we use positive, empowering words like, "I have abundance," or "I attract money effortlessly," we are programming our subconscious mind to create positive thoughts about money. The subconscious mind seeks to maintain homeostasis, keeping us within our comfort zones and resisting change. This can make it challenging to break free from negative habits or adopt new ones. The exciting news is that we have the power to reprogram our subconscious minds. By using our conscious thoughts and positive thinking, we can override negative beliefs and habits and create new patterns of behavior that align with our goals and aspirations. Positive thinking is a mindset that focuses on finding solutions and expecting positive outcomes. It involves adopting an optimistic attitude and looking for the benefits or silver linings in challenging situations. The power of positive thinking lies in its ability to shape our perceptions, emotions, and actions, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and successful life. Positive thinking has numerous benefits that extend beyond financial success. Research suggests that positive people have better mental and physical health, live longer, and have a reduced risk of various illnesses. They have improved coping skills, are more resilient in the face of challenges, and have better problem-solving abilities. Positive thinkers also tend to form positive relationships and enjoy a higher quality of life. This process requires intention, persistence, and consistent reinforcement of positive thoughts and affirmations. In contrast, negative thoughts can limit our potential and hinder our progress. Fear, anger, jealousy, and other negative emotions can consume our minds, preventing us from taking action and pursuing our goals. Recognizing and challenging these negative thoughts is essential for personal growth and success. By reframing negative thoughts and replacing them with positive affirmations, we can shift our mindset and open ourselves up to new possibilities. Positive thinking is not just about fleeting thoughts, it is a way of life. Cultivating positive habits is crucial for maintaining a positive mindset and reaping the benefits it offers. This includes engaging in regular exercise, practicing gratitude, surrounding ourselves with positive influences, and consciously choosing to focus on the positive aspects of our lives. Over time, these habits become ingrained in our subconscious mind, creating a foundation for long-term success. Now that we understand the significance of the subconscious mind and positive thinking, let's explore how you can combine these two forces to create wealth and abundance in your life. The first step towards financial success is setting clear and specific goals. By defining what you want to achieve and creating a plan to reach those goals, you are providing your subconscious mind with a clear direction and purpose. This clarity helps align your thoughts and actions with your desired outcomes, increasing the likelihood of success. Next comes visualization, a powerful tool for programming your subconscious mind. By vividly imagining yourself achieving your financial goals, you create a mental blueprint that your subconscious mind can work towards. Visualization stimulates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and reinforcing positive associations with our goals. Regularly visualizing success helps maintain motivation and keeps you focused on the actions necessary to achieve your objectives. Affirmations and positive self-talk are absolutely necessary in Brian Tracy's method for wealth building. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves to reinforce positive beliefs and attitudes. By consistently affirming your financial success and abundance, you reprogram your subconscious mind to align with these beliefs. Positive self-talk further enhances this process by consciously challenging and replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. Over time, these affirmations and positive self-talk become automatic, shaping your mindset and actions towards wealth creation. Brian Tracy has identified several words and phrases that he believes can help you attract more money into your life. He encourages the frequent use of such words and phrases as "I am." The phrase "I am" is a powerful declaration that can shape your beliefs and attitudes towards money. When you use this phrase in a positive context, such as "I am wealthy" or "I am successful," you are affirming your financial abundance and attracting more of it into your life. I can. The phrase "I can" is another powerful declaration that can help you overcome limiting beliefs and behaviors around money. When you use this phrase in a positive context, such as "I can make money easily" or "I can achieve financial freedom," you are empowering yourself to take action towards your financial goals. Opportunity. The word opportunity is a positive and empowering term that can help you attract more wealth into your life. When you view financial opportunities as abundant and available to you, you are more likely to take advantage of them and create more wealth for yourself. Investment. The word investment is a powerful term that can help you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. When you view your spending as investments in your future rather than as expenses in the here and now, you are more likely to make wise financial decisions that create long-term wealth. Gratitude. The word gratitude may not seem directly related to finances, but Tracy believes that it is a key component of attracting wealth. When you express gratitude for the money that you have and the opportunities that come your way, you are sending a positive message to your subconscious mind that you are abundant and deserving of more. But you're not done yet. Positive thinking alone is not enough. You need to surround yourself with positive influences such as mentors, role models, and supportive communities. And, in addition, take action, or what Tracy calls inspired action. Engaging with like-minded individuals who share your goals and aspirations reinforces positive thinking and provides a network of support and accountability. Taking inspired action involves stepping outside your comfort zone, embracing challenges, and persistently working towards your financial goals. Our subconscious mind responds to consistent action and reinforces positive behaviors just like the ones in the next video.